Well guys, we've got a camp today, okay my friends, so we'll see you later on. Just arrived at the car park. Here's Craig. Here's the dog. Come here. Say hello to the peoples. Good girl. Yeah, I'm not telling you where we are, it's a secret. Right guys, see you in a bit. We're going to get to the destination. Here you go guys, I want to try this alcohol stove out, so I've got gas, but I want to try this out, see how long it takes to boil. A nice cup of tea, so we've got these cross pieces. That way up, thank you very much. And this is to, well that's to snuff it out, okay, and also you can simmer with this as well, so you see that? Now you can't do that on this stove, which is a twig burner. So let's have a go at lighting this. So that's now lit. And it'll take quite a bit to bloom. What I generally do is pour some round the top, and that helps it to bloom quicker. So what I now need is some water and my titanium mug. There's hardly any breeze, but you can just see it just dancing about. So this is my titanium mug, and inside that we've got a little cloth for wiping round the floor in the tent. We've got hot lips that sits on the side of my mug, just like that, so I don't burn my little lips. There's my gas stove. So we'll pull the handles out, and when this has gone to bloom, as I call it, we'll put some water on. It's trying. Come on baby. Put the lid on as well, like that. Let's put it on now. Excellent. We'll bring you back in a bit. There you go guys, not fast, but it's ready. 4.5 minutes. Terrible, on gas it'd be about 1. Tandoori. Can't be bad. That's what's for tea.
And I can't find my spork, so I've got a normal one.
Yeah. Ooh, a steam door. Well guys, it's bedtime.
Your bed.
Ah. Well, near enough. It's bedtime, so that's it. We'll be going to kip now. So see you in the morning.